Knock, knock, knock.
Ah! Ah!
Little pig,
Nobody is home.
I heard you screaming.
That was a gun.
Sweet,
No,
kind,
no,
darling.
no,
Little pig,
no, no, don't eat me.
why would I do that?
You're big and bad.
Who told you that? I'm sweet and kind.
You. I don't believe you.
All you have to do is let me in.
Not by the tremble on my chin.
Dear me, must I huff and puff?
You're not nice. You're huffing and puffing.
I can't help it. I'm allergic. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Thanks, Lisa. Wow, those are wolf toes for sure.
Wait, it's hard for me to hear you.
All right, let's do this. Timmy, I hope you come out like that every time.